Liam and Zara were best friends who loved exploring the forest near their town. One afternoon, as they walked by the river, they noticed something strange. The water was turning dark and the fish were struggling to swim. "This isn't right," Liam said, picking up a leaf covered in oily sludge. Just then, a tiny glowing creature appeared. "I am Liora, the spirit of the forest," she said. "The river is dying because of pollution from the factory upstream. If it isn't stopped, the entire forest will suffer." Zara clenched her fists. "We have to do something." Liora handed them 2 emerald green pendants. "These will help you communicate with nature. But be careful, the factory workers won't want you interfering." Liam and Zara hurried toward the factory, where they saw smoke billowing from tall chimneys. As they got closer, Zara whispered, "We need proof." She pulled out her camera and snapped pictures of the dirty pipes dumping waste into the river. Suddenly, a guard spotted them. "Hey, you kids shouldn't be here," he shouted. They ran as fast as they could, using their pendants to call on the wind, which whirled up dust and gave them a chance to escape. Back in town, they showed their pictures to their school principal, who immediately called the mayor. Soon, environmental officers arrived at the factory, forcing the owners to clean up their mess. Within weeks, the river started to heal, and fish returned. Liora reappeared, smiling. "Because of your courage, the forest and river are safe. Never stop being protectors of nature." Liam and Zara high-fived. They knew their adventure wasn't over. There was always more to protect, and they were ready. To everyone who stayed till the end, you're the reason I keep doing this. If you'd like to stick around for more, I'd love to have you as part of the crew. Hit subscribe, and let's keep making this corner of YouTube feel like home. Until next time, take care of you.